you are getting traffic from any social media, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, or any other platform, you're probably wondering how to turn that traffic into money. Then you're in the right place, because in this video, I'll show you a simple way to monetize your traffic using something called a smart link from Monetag. Hi, welcome. In this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you are new, welcome. I hope you do stay. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So you're probably wondering, what is this Monetag? So it is a well-known monetization platform that connects publishers with advertisers worldwide. So the smart link is also called a direct link. It is designed to maximize your earnings by showing users ads that match their location and interest. It is a special type of link that automatically sends your visitors to the most relevant offers, so meaning that you don't have to create product or manage ads yourself. So instead of sending your traffic to just one offer, Monetag automatically chooses the best performing one for each visitor. So why should you choose Monetag? Yes, there are many smart link platforms out there, but Monetag stands out for several reasons. Firstly, they've been in the market for years and work with thousands of global advertisers, so meaning that there's better ad coverage. And second of all, they offer competitive CPM rate, a solid payout for publishers. Thirdly, they support traffic from almost any country. That means no matter where the audience is from, you can monetize it. The payout are fast and it starts from just $5, which is very great for beginners. And finally, they provide 24/7 support in case you need help. So getting started is very simple. You just need to go to your Monetag, sign up, and you will immediately get access to your smart link. One important tip though is for you to make sure that you use your real and accurate information during registration, because if the details are incorrect, you may run into issues when trying to withdraw your earnings later. So this is how the dashboard looks like, and once you are inside the dashboard, here are the key sections you should know. So in the direct link section, you will find your smart link. This is the link that you'll use to monetize your traffic. And then in the statistics section, it is going to show your performance, including your impressions, CPM, and earnings. And then in the payment section, you can track how much you've earned and choose your payment method. As you can see, they have so many payment options. And there's a referral program where you can earn an extra 5% commission by inviting other publishers. So now let's talk about the most important part, how to actually use your smart link. So the first thing you are going to do is to place it on your blog, website, or any landing page. For example, you can add a button that says read more or continue, and then attach your smart link to it. You can also share it directly to your social media post on Facebook, Twitter, or any other platform you are using. So the smartest strategy is to create a post that recommends an interesting article or a piece of content, and inside that article you should include a button that with the smart link. So here's how it works. A user clicks on your link, they are redirected to your relevant ads, and you earn money from that interaction. And that's it. It's a simple and effective way to monetize the social media traffic. If you're already getting clicks, you might as well start earning from them. Try Monetag's Smart Link today and turn your traffic into revenue. I will leave the link in the description box, and thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this far. I will see you on the next one. Bye.